God, my laser mouth again. Or is it? Is that really supposed to be a program? Oh my goodness. Is it just you or something? Stop with the lot spaghetti. We interrupt this program to whatever. Where is that audio even from? Sorry, Mickey. Oh God. This is just great. Because I don't know why you did all this mess. I know, enough with Luigi's. Please. Lot spaghetti, Baba Luigi, Baba Mama Luigi, Mama Luigi. This is the bagel. Come on. Stop. This is the bagel. Now back to our show. What was I singing again? I have no idea what they were saying now. I have no idea. Please audio. Yay! Lot spaghetti, Baba Luigi. Stop right now. Lot spaghetti, Baba Luigi, Mama Luigi, Mama Luigi. Lot spaghetti, lot spaghetti. This is the bagel. Stop it. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Let's continue. Already. At least been doing this for a minute now. Good job. I'm proud of you. Looks at the scene when Cooper's on this one. Perfect. Yay. Oh yeah, done now. Waha. Lot spaghetti. This is a bagel. This is the bagel. Mama Luigi. Mama Luigi. This is the bagel. I had no idea why you keep on repeating that whole stuff again. Now back to our show. Hammer, piece of the cake. Oh yeah. Jump. Oh my goodness. What's this nonsense? Oh my God. Oh no. Minnie! Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God. What's up with this guy? Oh my goodness. Oh no. Look at the scene when Cooper's on this one. Oh no. Oh, let me pass this time. Had enough. That's quick. It didn't take too long. Oh no. Yay! Really? This is the bagel. Mama Luigi. Oh my God. I heard Mama Luigi multiple times. Oh no. I heard Mama Luigi a couple times. Yeah, it must be yours. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. And that part kind of gets you. Oh my God. Thunder. Waha! See? That's the point I'm going to end you. From this game. Jeez Louise. Multiple times. Now back to our show. What show? Yeah, no idea. Oh no. See, that's what happens. Oh, Mickey Mouse. Running in the 90s. Oh no. I heard this multiple times. We interrupt this program to increase dramatic tension. Now back to our show. Okay then. Well, that's our show. Alrighty then. Oh my goodness. See you next time, Mimpi. Whoa, what? The Koopas? Sorry for Mimpi, but now he's gone from now on. He's just gone from now on. This is no longer me. Feel bad for you, dude. Oh, come on, mice. You like your tricks so bad, don't you? Alright. What's going on with you? Be careful. Oh, it's you again. Are you on for the next turn? Definitely. Give me the stage. I'm right here already. Help! Oh, Luigi, are you alright? Now you're surrounded with wigglers. That's when this part came from. No thanks, I'm not getting you now. No, or not even for the whole month. Not at all. Let's just get Oscar. Ooh, another one. Nice. But okay. Of course it's that guy. Sorry, Bryston. Looks like it's just fog again. Already. Oh no. Not again. Ow! Help! Oh no. Holy moly, I get this the second time. Oh, I'm waiting for you, Oscar. Thank you! Finally, it's Oscar this time. Not even Hedgehog. Not even a single turn of him yet. I don't care, because I want him instead. I prefer him more. Bye, Oscar. Never bite me again. Right here. Because that's weird. I mean, no. You will never bite me at this point. No! No! I thought she crashed. No, stop. Where's everything? Oh, never mind, it's here. You're never getting my butterflies as well. Point at him. Alright, what now? I can't. Ah, this one's done that fast. This is what it's called. This is done very fast. Small pack 3 and 5. Oh! I want more of them. Okay. What do you mean back to our show? And now back to our show. Okay. We interrupt this program to increase dramatic tension. Thank you. And now back to our show. All because of that. Back to our show. Back to it. No more interruptions. Oh, the little chance of them. Oh no. I can't. Stop crashing into a bush. Hooray. It's right over here. Mama Luigi. Mama Luigi. Are you kidding me with the stuff right now? Oh no. Oh, okay. Just a great idea to do that. Not now. Oh, dearie me. And she made the same noise when she woke up. Piece of the egg. Yeah! Jump. Oh, not again. Level 17? Oh, she keeps on making that noise. Why is that? I think it become a little common to make that noise. Something else. Oh, God. Oh, my gosh. She still makes it. That's kind of funny. That's an interesting sound as well. Yeah, be the swingers. Oh, no. Oh, princess. Oh, come on, princess. That's all you make? What's a swinger? What's a swing? Oh, you know what a swing is. What's a swinger? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my God. Same noise, same place. What? Okay, now it's different. You know, it always happens. Come on already. Oh, no, not the well as well. A little time to crash into that thing. Okay. Ah, ma. What? Aha! Maybe. Oh, Koopa, what is in there? Oh, oh, come on, man. You always make that same noise. We interrupt this program to. Oh, this is a program, okay? Oh no. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Is that it? I got it over there. Oh no. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh. What? Oh my God, princess. Oh my God. Oh. Oh gosh darn it. Oh no. Uh-huh. What about? How about now? Nope. Oh no. Oh, okay, good. Oh my God. What the? Luigi? Oh, come on. Ah, yay, yay. Oh no. That's what my people voice like. Man, that's a little longer, but okay. I'm going somewhere else. I know. Let's check on some more dungeons. Well, let's start! Please, not Ouija! Just get out of here, Ouija! Please! I'm warning you. I'm warning you. Back again so soon? Yes. And that's the cat I used to get. Now it's not here anymore. I don't know. Her name's Lucy. That's Lucy there. Well, I miss you. Maybe we should get her again. I guess. It's just a collection game. And I bet this game has adventure. Just right here. Ouija! Yes! No. Are you kidding me? Oh no, not again. Cotton candy was very cute. You look like some kind of cotton candy cat I ever see in my life. But it's not edible. Don't even dare try to eat her. Just what I needed. Bravo. Yeah. Peace after cake. Wah! Yahoo! What in the world do I even play? Why do I choose myself to play this? Why? Does this graphics look cute? Is it addictive? Is it whatever you ever play for? The cute cats you just seen from one ad on YouTube? Those are your options to choose. I would choose all. Oh my god. Girl, are you gonna do this forever, you know? You know you could just stand on one leg and do all every day. My god. Here you go. She went back up. Oh no, not this again. Ah, silly Molly. No, not this donkey nonsense again. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? No. Oh. Same thing. Oh hey, someone make a donkey noise again? Peach was my favorite one. Stop. He's so annoyed with this donkey nonsense. Donkey Kong, so stop. Donkey Kong's a gorilla ape, not an actual donkey. Okay, there you go. It's okay. And are you okay, Daffy? Or something? N-O? Which means no. Oh. Half okay. No? What do you mean no? More like yes. I mean yes. This is the bagel. This is the bagel. The bagel. Goodbye. I don't know why. Seriously now? With the whole lots of spaghetti jokes? You have repeated this joke multiple times. I know, lots of spaghetti. This is the bagel. Oh my goodness. Snake, why is your box so taunt? Every taunt controls. That's it. You just hide in the box. Oh my goodness. Like some cat would ever want to play in that box. I know. It's like when you do that. That's just your taunt. It's your taunt. Ours. It's just a box. The end. Lost your mind. Yahoo. Maybe. Yeah.